Ġie l-ewwel darba Malta meta kellu 19-il sena għax missier il-mara tiegħu kellu appartament l-Imsida. Sar iħobb il-gżiritna u spiċċa biex baqa' jiġi diversi drabi. Din ir-rabta li għandu ma' pajjiżna l-leġġenda ta' Manchester United Bryan Robson. Ma' One News qalilna li baqa' jiġi kemm il-darba x'huwa pajjiż sabiħ ħafna.
Malta is a great country to visit. My first holiday was when I was 19 years of age. I had a great family holiday and then went for years later. But yeah, the beaches are great, the little bays are fantastic, there's great restaurants and bars around there. The hotels have really improved over the years, so it's a great destination to go to.
Faħħar ukoll lill-Maltin għal mod kif jilqgħu lin-nies. Dan fil-waqt li fisser ukoll is-supporters Maltin ta' Manchester United għandhom passjoni li ma bħala. Mistoqsi dwar il-fatt li pajjiżna issa huwa d-destinazzjoni uffiċjali ta' klabb ġigantesk bħal Manchester United, qal li din se tqanqal kurżità dwar pajjiżna li se twassal biex aktar nies jażlu lil Malta għal btajjel tagħhom.
A lot of people will get a lot of publicity about our partnership, and I think fans from around the world from Manchester United will visit Malta.
Tal-istess fema huwa l-midfielder preżenti tal-klabb Juan Mata li qalilna li minkejja li għadu qatt ma kellu ċans iżur pajjiżna se jagħmel dan mill-aktar fis.
It makes sense to have this collaboration because definitely Malta is a country that supports United. I've never been myself, but since today I'm really interested in going and discovering the culture, the food, the good weather, beach, so I can relax, and yeah, I'm very much looking forward to it.
Kellna ċans ukoll nistaqsu lil Mata dwar il-ħsibijiet tiegħu fuq l-istaġun li għadu kif beda fejn Manchester United għadhom irridu jsibu saqajhom.
We need to keep going and keep trying to win every single game. When you play for this club, the expectations and the demands are high, but
Idħol fuq one.com.mt u hemmhekk tista' tara l-programmi kollha li jxandru fuq One permezz ta' One Play.